The چھومولانگما National Nature Reserve in southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region has seen steady progress in biodiversity conservation. Located on the China-Nepal border, it is the world's highest nature reserve. With complex terrains and diverse ecosystems, the nature reserve is now home to 491 species of terrestrial vertebrates, 11 reptile species, 390 bird species, 82 mammal species, and 2,550 higher plant species.
88年之前呢，就是我们中自然保护成立之前，这地方也偷猎的，反正就是盗墓的，这些全部都是多得很。因为这地方呢，那时候也没有管理人，成立珠峰自然保护区以后呢，这些野草、树木呀，反正就是这野生动物呀，这些现在全部都慢慢的提升了，也没有什么盗猎和没什么盗墓的，那些全部都现在已经不存在。
In 1988, China's Tibet Autonomous Region officially approved the establishment of چھومولانگما Nature Reserve, which was upgraded into a national nature reserve in 1994 with the approval of the State Council.